Okay, well, I guess we got another light bulb here. Mommy, can you turn these lights on? There's another halogen bulb over here that apparently is not working. See there? And I'm hoping it's just the bulb. Now sometimes these are kind of tricky to get out. See those little prongs right there? Okay, you can turn it off. I like to leave the light off. See those two prongs? It's a wire thing. You have to kind of pull those together and then hold your mouth just right. And maybe this whole ring will come out. Okay, so I'm gonna get that. So if you ever see any like that, you'll know how to do it. See there? There's the ring. And the last one I took out, I tried to pinch both of those together at the same time. You can pinch it and just, as long as you just get one side out, then you can roll it out, okay? So, be careful with the glass. And it's like, okay, how do you get that out? Where you see the wire, you know, the exposed wire, you can just take that, kind of push on it. You can kind of push it back through there. Because lots of times this cap won't come off. This one does not come off. And they hardly give you enough room at all to get this. Okay, but as long as you can get it that far, now I can hold that, kind of tweak it back and forth as I'm pulling. Okay? Just like that. And you have to be careful when you do these. Oh, okay, this is the one we think is still working, this bulb. I guess this glass came off separately. I'm going to leave that little piece of glass off. And this came out of another light that we thought was burned out, but now we think this bulb might actually be good because there's a ballast in this other light fixture. These are slightly different, but I've been working on another one. If you've been watching my videos, you can check that out. It was the one before this. Okay, go ahead and turn it on. Let's see if it works. Okay, look at that. It does work. Okay, now you can turn it off. You can take this, pull it back up there. And this one had two pieces of glass in it, didn't it?
Yes.
Okay, this fit right up in that. Pull that up there. Make sure I get it all the way up there. Hopefully we got room for two pieces of glass. I don't know if we really need that extra piece, but it was there, so we're going to keep it. I push that up in there now. I need that wire. This wire goes back in there. See, I hook one side like that, and then I can get that with my finger. Now I got it. And I have to kind of work it around. Like so. Voila. Look at that.
Beautiful.
And
Yikes.
I've tweaked on it too much. Try it again. See it?
Wire?
Oh, is the wire down there?
Is it down here?
Yeah, it's got to be. See, it even happens to an average Joe.
Babe, I don't want to ruin it.
You don't want to ruin
They're
it?
done.
Okay. That looks good. No milk, but we're going to use creamer. Yes. Hey, what's going on here with your stove?
It's filthy.
Oh, I know what you're going to do. You're going to take this stuff, and if you guys haven't been watching my videos, you need to watch my mother and I and she shows you how to clean these. See all the black marks here? It's virtually impossible to take a scouring pad and get all this black stuff off. And she's got a really cool way to do it. And I think, Momi, you saw that video, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah. And we're gonna take ammonia, and we're gonna clean that, but it's done in a very special way. We're gonna take a garbage sack, aren't we? We're gonna put that stuff in there with ammonia, and that's gonna clean this stuff off. I'm not gonna show you the entire a new video, but you're gonna have to watch that one that my mother and I do. See all this black stuff here? All that stuff you can get rid of with that. But this video was really about how to change that halogen bulb there, and we've done it, and that one's fine now. The light's working, and this one is not working. And if you haven't watched that video, I show you how to remove that one, and I've got it all over here. And we've got to take, that was a different one, so you can watch that video. I took that all apart. You don't have to be an electrician for that. Where's that ballast that we're going to replace? Oh, here it is. This was the bugger. This was bad, okay? And that was up inside the light fixture, and I had to take it all down. We're going to take that to the electrical store, a lighting store, and we're going to get a new one of those. So stick around, and I'll show you how to put that back together on another video. She was helping me run the video camera, and she burnt the quick cut steel cutouts. Yeah. Hey. Oh well. Hey, well that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.